Hey Wi-Fi marketers, Kevin Z here. I wanted to show you something that Facebook recently launched that's going to really change your lead game. So I have my iPhone over here on the screen and I want to show you. You open up the Facebook app, okay, your normal Facebook app. I got my profile, I got my news feed. What I want to do is on the bottom right corner, I want to click on that little menu. Okay, and I want to scroll down and I'm going to see a feature here called Find Wi-Fi. What this is a new tool that Facebook launched that allows you to find free Wi-Fi hotspots in and around your area. So not only does it show you the location, but it also shows you the name of the network. You'll see below Dave's Guest, every location, Pharaoh Guest, has the name of the location, when they're open until, and what the network name is. So this is a cool tool that Facebook now launched to their 2 billion users that drives users into local businesses in order to use Wi-Fi. Here you got Bymark, a very fancy steakhouse, tons of locations. And what's really cool about this is that you don't only have to see it on a map view, you can also view it as a list view. So you can literally see if you're walking around an area, you can see exactly here are all the Wi-Fi hotspots in the area, the name of the business, the name of the network. This then gives you the ammunition you need to visit that local business and let them know, hey, Facebook is now driving 2 billion users potentially to your business. And when they come in to use free Wi-Fi, what is the experience? Are you capturing leads? Are you capturing emails? I mean, here, just within a 5-minute walk from my location currently, tons of potential clients that I could be targeting. Number one, letting them know that Facebook is driving traffic to their business, and that's important to capture those details. But second, if I see a location on the map that does not have a Wi-Fi listing, I can also let them know that Facebook is now driving traffic. And this works in every area. Here I'm just going into Boston. I don't live in Boston, but I'm going to the downtown core to see what Wi-Fi hotspots are available. Here I see Emmett's Pub and Restaurant. I see the Barracuda Tavern. These are all potential businesses, and you'll notice here the orange dots are actual businesses that aren't in Facebook's directory yet. So you can let that business know, hey, if you want to be listed, number one, you got to offer free Wi-Fi. And number two, when you do offer that Wi-Fi, are you capturing leads? Are you capturing emails? Are you getting social profiles? And it's very important to understand that right now with this Find Wi-Fi tool, you can use this for your business. Use it as a big part of your ammunition because it not only tells you the local business, where they are in proximity to you, it also tells you the name of the network. So you can go in there, take a couple screenshots, let the business owner know that this is their current experience, and here's what's possible with social Wi-Fi. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I think it's an excellent tool to start using today for your business. Please comment in the Facebook group below. Let me know if you like this strategy and if you're going to be using it. And if you do use it and if it works, please post a video testimonial. I'll be giving some extra cool prizes away for those that do. Thanks everyone and happy selling.